prayer. Magandang hapon po mga kababayan. That's what we're having today on Kababayan LA. We have not one but two wonderful Kababayan YouTube performers. They have a series of shows coming up, so they're going to be talking to us about that. Also, they will be singing for us this afternoon. Meanwhile, isang grupo naman po ng ating mga kababayan inviting us to say a little prayer for peaceful elections in the Philippines. Yesterday, we talked about that. Red Cross naghahanda for a violent election in the Philippines. Sana naman po huwag mangyari yan. We're going to be talking about that today on Kababayan LA. Meanwhile, happy Thursday everyone. Ako po si Janelle So, ang inyong kababayan dito sa Los Angeles. At ito naman ang ating Nepales Reports. We are very happy to have with us our kababayan sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association. Alternating yan, si Ruben Nepales. And today we have with us Janet Nepales. Hello and welcome back to Kababayan LA.
Hello, Janelle. How are you?
Miss Janet, saan ba kayo naglakwatsa ngayon? Alam ko, pag Hollywood Foreign Press Association member, you go around attending junkets, visiting mga film locations.
Yeah, nagpunta ako recently sa Santa Monica to interview Jake Gyllenhaal for Prince of Persia.
Ayan, and that was it. Miss J, para dun sa mga hindi nakakalam, ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng junket and what happens sa mga junkets?
Ang mga junket, yung i-interviewin ng press itong mga artista na nagpo-promote ng mga pelikula. And depende kung saan gagawin yung junket, kung saan sila naglo-location shooting. Minsan ginagawa rin sa New York, San Francisco, or London. So nag-interview kami ng mga artista doon.
It would have been difficult for you guys, for the press, to be invited to a junket. Let's say, Prince of Persia, they shot it in the deserts. That would have been an awesome experience, pero siguro mahirap, no, Miss J?
Yeah, pero nag-film din sila sa London, kaya pwede rin imbitahin ka rin sa London. Depende nga kung ano ang mga sinushoot nila.
Alright, let's talk about your conversation with Jake Gyllenhaal. He had a very nice body coming into this film. Paano ba siya naghanda for his hunky body?
Yeah, very macho nga ang dating niya dito and hunky kasi panay ang training niya sa LA, London, and even Morocco. Nag-rope climbing siya, gymnastics. Tapos nag-hire sila ng trainer, si David Bell ng France, at train siya sa martial arts and other workouts para sa kanya mga fight scenes.
Ang mahirap siguro, Miss J, did you ask him about his experiences working in the deserts? How many days were they there?
Several days din sila nandun, months. And 100 degrees ang temperature doon, so napakainit, talagang madidehydrate ka. Kaya almost 1 million water bottles ang naubos nila for their thousands of crews. Para nga daw doon Super Bowl kasi napakainit. Pero yung mga British cast and crew nga, init na init sila, hindi sila sanay sa init. Pero sabi ni Jake, para daw LA lang yon.
No, parang LA lang yun. Hindi naman, mas mainit naman siguro doon. But you know what, Miss J, si Jake, lumabas siya sa mga balita not too long ago regarding naman his personal life. Pagka ba Hollywood Foreign Press Association member or as a journalist, are you allowed to ask actors things about their personal lives or may mga restrictions ba yan?
Depende yan sa artista in disposition nila kung magsasalita sila. Yung iba ayaw nila talaga, policy nila talaga na hindi magsalitan tungkol sa personal life nila. Pero yung iba namang artista, ganado sila magsalita. Kagaya kunwari si Angelina Jolie or si Sandra Bullock, talagang magsasalita sila, no holds barred. You can talk about anything.
Ay, ganun. So, si Jake, hindi natin siya natanong sa kanyang personal life.
Oo. Hindi siya nagsasalita ng tungkol sa personal life niya. Kagaya rin siya ni Jennifer Aniston or Leonardo DiCaprio. Talagang off-limits ang personal life.
But you know, marami mga balita that Jake is a very romantic person. Were you able to ask him about that?
Yes. He is a romantic person and he admits it. And sabi niya, ang way of showing his love is by cooking.
Ayan, cooking. Paano naman kaya siya natutong magluto?
Ang family niya really loves to cook, sabi niya. And ang best friend niya is a farmer. So mahilig siya pumunta sa farmer's market, namimili, and he loves making something daw out of nothing. And talagang expressing his love daw is through cooking. Enjoy siya doon.
Alright. Meanwhile, Miss J, ang ating naman kababayan, I actually will be interviewing her next week, Thursday, dito sa Los Angeles. I'm talking about Miss Loida Nicolas Lewis.
Yes, I was able to meet her also in New York, and Loida told me na meron na siyang gala coming up on June 26. And imbitado din dito sila Charis Pempenko and a jazz band and a lot of celebrities, Hollywood stars, and TV personalities.
And I understand this is a fundraiser for a certain political campaign for in the Philippines, correct?
This is a fundraiser for her husband's foundation, which is the Reginald F. Lewis Foundation. So, and this will be held sa East Hampton, New York.
All right. Maraming salamat, Miss Janet, and we hope to talk to you next week kung hindi man kayo kay Tito Ruben.
Yes.
All right.
I'll be talking more about Matt Damon, Ewan McGregor, and Robert Pattinson next time.
Thank you so much. Janet Nepales, our Kababayan Hollywood Foreign Press Association member. For more of her stories, don't forget to check out her column, Dateline Hollywood, www.philippinenews.com. We will return for more. Don't go away.
Can you imagine not being able to communicate with your family and friends? Hi, I'm Lisa Gibbons.